Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu on Windows 11 using WSL. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and open up PowerShell. Right click on your start menu, just click on Terminal Admin. Now, there will be a pop-up, just click on Yes. Now, in here, go ahead and type down WSL space double hyphen or double dash, type down install, and then just hit on Enter. Wait for it to load. If you got this error, just basically press any key as it says here. Now it says updating Windows Subsystem for Linux to version, current version. Just wait for it. And now it's done. Let's go ahead and type down WSL space double dash list space double dash online. All right. So why do we need to type this command? So it's needed for us to be able to see all of the list of available distros and versions. So just hit on enter, wait for it. As you can see here, Ubuntu, Tumbleweed, Leap, Debian, Kali Linux is available right here, so on and so forth. So just look for the ones that you would need to install or you want to install. So as you can see here, we have Ubuntu 24.04, which is the latest one. And if you want this one, by all means, copy the name or label, or in other words, a distro or version. So highlight it, Control C to copy. Now go ahead and type down WSL space double dash install, Control V to paste. All right. And then once that's done, just go ahead and hit on enter. Wait for it. As says here, the operation completed successfully. The requested operation is successful. Changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. So go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, all you got to do next is just go ahead and start an Ubuntu instance. There you have it. That is how you install Ubuntu on Windows 11 with WSL. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.